So here's the list for the Panini Limited box break. You know, I listed it for 3 days. Should have listed it for at least 7, but I want to respect the ones who've entered. So the ones that haven't were not bought in, I put myself in there. And the ones that bought in, I put you guys in there as well. We're going to do the randomize 3 times, both for the teams and for the users. Here's the teams entered already into randomize, just to get things going faster. Now we're going to just randomize it 3 times. So here's the first time. Okay. I'm going to hit it again for the second. Okay. And we're going to hit it again for the third. Okay. Take this list. Okay. I'm going to post it into the list we have in Excel, just so it matches up with the users. And then we're going to randomize the users. Okay, 1 second. Control V. Okay. There you go. Now let's take the users. And let's do this again to the list. Enter the users into the list, as you're aware. Here you guys are the ones who've entered. Okay, now let's randomize 3 times. First time, second time, and the third time. Okay, remember your number. You're going to see it next to the list anyways. Control, let's get number 1 all the way to 30. Okay. Now we're just going to post it here. I can just okay. So here's the list. We're going to go down the list. Okay. Remember who you are, and we're going to start the box break. So I'm just going to go to my seat and start. So first of all, let's show you the serial number. No? Here comes in more towards the light. Okay. Good luck, guys. First of all, it's Panini Limited. This is for the year 2011-12. Alright. Checklist. The pack. Okay. Actually, I'll take that. Okay. First one is Keith Yandel for Phoenix Coyotes. Keith Yandel. Okay. Next is Nick Antropov for the Winnipeg. By the way, the Keith Yandel is numbered 233 to 299. And this one's Nick Antropov for the Winnipeg Jets. Ooh, everything just fell onto my hand here. 118 out of 299. Then you have a Patrick Waugh base, and that is numbered 42 out of 299. That's for the Montreal Canadiens. Montreal Canadiens. Next, for the Edmonton Oilers, it's a jumbo swatch of Taylor Hall. That is numbered 67 out of 99. That's for the Edmonton Oilers, Taylor Hall. This one is going to be randomized between Montreal Canadiens and the Tampa Bay Lightning. It's, I'm guessing, is beautiful. Dual lace net presence. Carey Price, Steven Stamkos, 18 out of 99. It's going to be randomized between the Canadiens and the Tampa Bay Lightning. Next, Luke Robitaille for the Los Angeles Kings. 3 out of 10. Beautiful piece. That is retired numbers. And just look at that dual color right there. Beautiful. Oh, that's nice. He has a nice signature too on card. Next, for the Ottawa Senators, it is Jason Spezza. That is number 17 out of 25. It's Spotlight. And the last card is Max Talbot for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And that is, I believe, Chasing the Cup. And that is 106 out of 199. Now we're going to do the randomized between the Montreal Canadiens and the Tampa Bay Lightning. Now let's see who the users were. Tampa Bay Lightning, I see it right off the bat, is Marino 514 RDP. Okay. And between myself, Jordan Elcone, Montreal Canadiens. Okay. If I get it, I get it. I'll put it on eBay right after. Okay, so I'll copy this. Okay, let's put that, start a new list here. Whoever comes up on top is the one who gets the card. Okay, and I'm going to take the Tampa Bay. There. Just going to put that there. And we're going to randomize 3 times. So here's the first time. Randomize works. Yeah, the first time. A second time. Okay. And a third time. So, your card goes to Tampa Bay Lightning, Reno 514. Congratulations.